We've got the VM5 here. This machine's available from stock. You've got a few of them available for quick delivery. Can you talk us through the machine?
Yeah, this one in particular we're offering with free delivery. It's been here for a year or more, not done a lot. I think it's only about 35 spindle hours, but it's a nice, good entry-level machine.
Good first machine, isn't it? What a first machine to have. If you've got a small workshop, you need, the capacity to make parts, but you don't want to fill your floor space up.
With the micro-lock system, it makes it more versatile than with the two vices. We can clamp more parts, we can run parts in kits. We find it's easier to clamp thinner wall parts as well. With the micro-lock system, we can use serrated jaws and soft jaws, meaning it's suitable for roughing out cycles and also second up and last up cycles as well.
Yeah, we're live here at the Engineering Technology Group in Wellesbourne, where today we're going to be looking and watching the Vulcan TC200 machine in action, doing a cutting demonstration, a very impressive cutting demonstration, thanks to Hypermill's software, which is the max machining high performance turning solution. Now, I'm joined by Steve and Dominic from Open Mind. We'll probably start by saying, Steve, if you could just give us a bit of a recap. Let's talk about the Vulcan for those that haven't seen the machines across our channels recently. I know you've done quite well with the machine since it's been introduced. We're here at SJ Dimmock in Luton, and Jamie was talking about how impressed he is with the reliability of the machines and the technology. However, the cost of them really, sort of
paid for themselves really quickly.
4 or 5 times over.
Yeah.
I mean, some of the technologies that they've introduced in recent years is the high accuracy EDM, wire cutting with B-axis, automation, high-speed flushing, and all of these things have started to migrate onto their models, but reliably so, as Jamie said. So the machines here, they're running unmanned all the time.
You're talking about evolution of technology, but they still have the manual, the NC control, and people are really happy with it. It's almost like they've got it, it works, and they're happy and so reliable.
We're here at Mazak in Worcester, and this is a true multitasking machine tool, HQR 250 MSY. Tell us about the machine.
Really interesting concept of machine, because people look at a twin turret and a twin spindle machine as predominantly high volume manufacturing, and it is. Don't get me wrong, this machine is ideal for those long running jobs, unmanned. But I spoke to Brian Edmondson earlier, and there's going to be a video coming to the channel soon with him about tackling lower volumes with this machine, and the machine is capable of doing lower volumes. And what was interesting is how he said how they take a customer's application and they don't necessarily ask about the volume to start with. They ask or look at the complexity of it, because this machine is obviously so capable.
We've travelled to TPB Precision Engineering near Oxford, and they are a Hurco innovation centre.
Today I've travelled to Hoddesdon. I'm at Empire Manufacturing with Stuart Wade. We're standing in front of what is a brand new star sliding head lathe. I'm at WH Lead in Towcester, which is just in Northamptonshire, and very centrally located in the country. And in fact, I'm very, very impressed with their new facility here.
Hello and welcome to the DMG Mori UK Dynamic Excellence live event, and you're joining us in the software solutions session of our show today. You may recognise some of the decking behind us, especially on caravan sites across the UK. Well, we've travelled to Wednesbury and we're at the PAL Group to see how they make these.